Let's DIY this jingle bell cluster. You're going to need 20 inches of curb chain and then some round carabiners. And the first thing you'll do is spray the chain and the carabiners black. Then you're going to take your bells, this is a set of 28, and spray them black. Let them dry, flip them over, spray again. Once everything's dry, then you're going to spray paint everything a matte gold. And it'll take a couple of coats. Spray painting in the box works well, just don't do it on a rainy day because your box will absorb moisture and you'll end up moving everything outside. So then you spray the balls gold. And once you've got everything painted, you're going to take the chain, throw it in a Ziploc bag, and put some Rub and Buff gold, European gold is what I used on it. Then you're going to hook your carabiners into all the different bells. There are 3 sizes of bells. This carabiner will fit in every one of them. You're going to also use the Rub and Buff on all of the bells. Mine got a little scratched up, but that's okay, it's no big deal. And then you start opening the carabiners and hooking all the bells to the chain. And you just go down the chain. The reason you want 20 inches of chain is because it's easier to hang on to. You're not gonna go all the way up the chain. This is with just a few on there, and this is the full set of 20. I add a bow and hang these on my rocking horse. You can use these on a wreath, a mantle, even your front door handle.